እኔ እዚህ ሀገር እንደመጣሁኝ ያልገባኝ ነገር ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃላችሁ? ኮሌጅ የነበርኩኝ ጊዜ ሰዎች loved free food. Whenever there is like, oh, free food አለ ሲባል they all went there. እና I used to think ለምንድነው እነዚህ ሰዎች ግን free food በጣም የሚወዱት ብዬ አስብ ነበር። but ያልገባኝ ነገር they go over there so they can eat, but most importantly ስለ ራሳቸው ለማውራት ነው የሚሄዱት. They love talking about themselves. እኔ አቺቭመንት ነው ብዬ የማላስበውን ነገር እነሱ እንደ አቺቭመንት ሲያወሩት አያለው። እኔ I'm just like, how am I going to talk about myself like this ብዬ የማስበውን ነገር እነሱ they're just bragging about themselves. And the people who did that got interviews, the people who did that got internships, and the people who didn't do that did not get anything. So አሜሪካን ሀገር አዲስ ሆናችሁ ከሆነ the best way for you to fast forward your career is to network and also understand how to small talk. Okay? If you want me to make a video about small talk and tactics in order to achieve that, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and follow me.